Hi, I am Sarodi Jonak. I am a fourth-year PhD student in the Biophotonic group in the University of Hamburg. I am from the northeastern part of India. It's a place called Assam, known for its amazing tea. And as a master's student, I was looking for opportunities to go abroad and conduct my research. When I looked into University of Hamburg and the scientific environment here, DAISY is here, European XFEL is here, and this already opens a lot of learning opportunity for me. The Biophotonic group that I work in, we advance imaging of matter. It works with plasmonic nanoparticles. They are 1 billionth of a matter. They're really small. It's something very hard for us to imagine. What we do in the lab is that I try to synthesize plasmonic nanoparticles, for example, gold, silver, copper, and then they assemble themselves into something like supercrystals, that's what we call, or superlattices. And then I study the light-matter interaction of these structures. They bring in new characteristic properties. These supercrystals can be used for future hydrogen storage, for future with sustainable energy, where the carbon footprint is less and we don't have to depend so much on the non-renewable resources that we're currently using. It is very satisfying to see the structures in an electron microscope, to work with them, to change things with them. It's already very, very intriguing.
It's a very big research campus. There's almost nothing what you don't have. It's very interdisciplinary. There's a lot of international institutions on this campus. And what's highly important, there are also special programs in KUI where international scientists get funding. And this is of course a very big attraction for people from all over the world.
So Hamburg is my current home. I'm kind of biased now, living here for 4 years. It's very green. There are a lot of beautiful parks, a lot of beautiful places. When I have free time on a bright sunny day, I really like to visit Blankenese and walk next to the river Elbe. I thoroughly enjoy what I do. I would still like to continue in the path of science, educating people, bringing more scientific literacy among public. I think that's the path that I would like to continue towards in future.